And joining us here on India Today is Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan, Tamil Nadu BJP leader. Thank you very much, ma'am, for joining us here on India Today. You've been to Karur, of course, and you've seen all of the reactions that have come in. What do you think, Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan, of what's playing out? Who's responsible here? Because the DMK is continuing to maintain that it is Vijay, it is very much the TVK that's responsible.
First of all, I pay homage to all the departed souls. Until now, the cry is heard in my ears. So some great harm happened there and calamity happened. But now the play game has started. Only one thing I want to convey here. Whatever happened could have been prevented. And I had been in administration. So they just cannot wash their hands because they asked permission for 10,000 people and 30,000 people came. So because of that, we are unable to control the crowd. That is the message from the government. And the government says they are not clear whether there was a disconnection of the current or disconnection of the generator or whether the people fell from the trees and there was any lathi charge. So there was no any clarity on that. There was a peaceful procession till 8 o'clock. Something happened in between and suddenly when we heard 2 people died, first message came and suddenly it risen to 3, 4,
No, are you
10.
Ma'am, suggesting that there is a conspiracy? The TVK is saying yes, that they sabotage the conspiracy. Do you think so?
So we cannot totally exclude that. That is the opinion of me. Because the meeting has been going on for the whole day. And Karur, when they entered Karur, this confusion started. And you can see even the aerial picture says some wobbling of the crowd. And there was some disturbances. So they were telling, the DGP was telling there was no stone pelting. But they threw chappals on Vijay. So only if the Vijay cadres were present, why they are going to throw the chappals? So whether any other persons intruded into the crowd, we don't know. So the inquiry only will give us the result. But we are not confident on the single judge inquiry because the SP has not been suspended, the collector has not been suspended, even they were not even asked for clarification. So when such officers or dominant officers, very powerful officers are in the post, and how the
no, but there is an investigation, ma'am. There is an investigation that's underway. The government says that till that investigation is complete, let's not jump the gun on who is responsible. The BJP has been demanding a CBI investigation. When there is a one-judge commission that's looking into it, why do you feel the CBI should be brought in?
No, that is why I asked. Previously, my words were for that only. Because when single-judge commission is there, and the powerful people who were in the post, for example, the collector, the SP are all there because they are the people who have to give the information, correct information. Second, till now, the TMK, we are not confident on the DMK government because they politicize everything. There may be bias to information. So only they are asking. Even yesterday, our state president asked a single bench from the Supreme Court also. So motto they have to take. There was a request from the state president also. So CBI inquiry should be there. That was a representation from BJP also. So when we are not confident and there are some political messages, there could be some conspiracy, there could be some confusion. So the people should be clear about what happened and why this stampede happened. This stampede could have prevented, according to me. So these are the
we agree. We agree that this is a man-made tragedy. You've raised some questions for which we all need answers. Thank you, ma'am, for your time and for joining us here on India Today.